Well, after cooking up a storm in the successful film Man Marziya, from their conversation online, it seems like Vicky Kaushal and Abhishek Bachchan are all set to create another pot boiler again. This time, it's not going to be a fiction show, it's going to be a non-fiction travel documentary based on food. Now, this comes in the wake of the fact that Abhishek Bachchan has been sharing his journey through Bollywood over 20 years and stumbled upon his moment and times that he spent on the sets of Man Marziya with all the cast members and the crew, and expressed how fortunate he felt to have been a part of that film and how much fun he went on to have. From the conversation, it does seem like Vicky Kaushal is all set to be a part of this so-called travel documentary. We're going to have to wait and see whether this actually happens or not. But in the meanwhile, here's the story.
विकी कौशल और अभिषेक बच्चन मिलके कुछ नए प्लान्स बना रहे हैं। उनके सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट को देखकर यही लगता है कि अभिषेक बच्चन एक्टिंग छोड़ के डॉक्यूमेंट्री शो बनाना चाहते हैं। As he completes 20 years in the industry, is the star considering making change to his career plans and doing non-fiction instead? Well, not yet, क्योंकि he has several new films and a web series lined up for release, but as a part of his post on social media where he is remembering the highlights of his 20 years in Bollywood, अभिषेक ने 2018 में रिलीज हुई मन मर्जिया के बारे में अपनी यादें शेयर करते हुए कहा कि फिल्म के दौरान पंजाब में जो बढ़िया खाना खाने मिला उन्हें, उसकी खातिर वो एक फूड बेस्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्री करने को तैयार हैं। Abhishek, who completes 20 years in the industry, has been sharing pictures and memories from his films over the past 2 decades and even shared some special anecdotes about his films with wife Aishwarya Rai, जिनके साथ अभिषेक ने 8 फिल्में की हैं। While he didn't have a release in 2017, 2018 saw Abhishek in one of his finest performances so far, playing the restrained but rock-solid Robbie who marries Taapsee's character Rumi after she breaks up with her boyfriend Vicky, played by Vicky Kaushal. Sharing the good times he had while making the film, Abhishek wrote, "Year 2018, I didn't have a release in 2017. 2018 saw the coming together of Anurag Kashyap, Anand L. Rai, Taapsee Pannu, Vicky Kaushal, Kanika D, and it's Amit Trivedi. I've written so much about my experience of working on Man Marziya. If you scroll back on my feed, you can read it. A young, energetic unit who gave it their all. Made a wonderful film about modern love. Made good memories and ate the best food and drank the best lassi in Amritsar." लेकिन लगता है अभिषेक had such a good time on the project, he wants to reunite with the team Man Marziya, but एक नई फिल्म के लिए नहीं, but he wants to make a documentary about food. Seems like Abhishek has even planned out roles for all the cast and crew, and all they need now is a green light from Anurag Kashyap to start Man Marziya की पेट पूजा. Sharing his documentary idea, Abhishek wrote, "I have an idea. Anurag, let's make a documentary on food across India. Vicky and I will host it. Kanika can write it. You and Anand direct it. Amit will give the soundtrack. Taapsee will handle all public relations and production since she will probably not eat anything. I'm on. Over to you." While Anurag and Taapsee have not responded yet, Vicky is all set to continue his bromance with Abhishek and responds to Abhishek's idea with a hilarious comment which said, "The pot boiler I would love to be a part of, AB." हम पूरी तरह रेडी हैं इस पॉट बॉयलर को चखने के लिए, जिसमें अभिषेक, विकी और तापसी के टैलेंट का स्वाद हो और साथ में अनुराग कश्यप के डायरेक्शन का तड़का. Sounds like a great recipe for success.